Buko salad!
Alright, so you have already heard about it. My cousins already give you an idea as to what we'll be making today. So we will be making buko salad. Why buko salad? Because everywhere you can see buko around here. There's so many there's many salamat sa term. There are so many coconut trees in here sa mong palibot. So daghan siya butong, no? And mo lang po namong buhaton karon. And isa pa, this is I think second of my most favorite food na dessert, and come on, let's do it. So you won't actually bake, you won't actually cook anything. All that you just have to do for buko salad is to mix all the ingredients. And what are the ingredients? Of course, we need butong. So this should be virgin coconut meat. And then as many as that, like the more the merrier. Just make sure that the ratio of the coconut meat that you will be making will not be lesser than the amount of fruits that you will be putting in. Alright, and after our today's mixed fruits, yeah, this is 2 kilograms the most. Tama ba? Ano ba ning? Yeah, this is 3 kilograms. So this is 3 kilograms of today's mixed fruit. We will also be needing a green kaong. Why green? Because you know, it's very delectable to see green on your food, and I really love the color. And of course, we need mayonnaise. We need Nestle cream. We need cheese. And we will also be needing our condensed milk. So, you might be asking me as to why there's no raisin. So, I for one doesn't like raisin. So, di ko ganahag pasa, and I don't like it, and I don't like the taste. So, if I am the one making the buko salad, there's really never gonna be raisins in there. So come on, all that we have to do, once again, I told you earlier, we just have to mix all these ingredients together. And we're back. So karon ato ala siyang i-mix tanan after having everything opened. Mga pila ni kabuok butong ya? 15. So, total of 15 ka butong. So, yun, ano siya kadaghan. Buko. Alright, so, next na ito nga ibuhat is, take note, pro tip lang. So, sa tuwang today's, dili na ito iya pilugulog ang iyahang juice. Na siya ma-excrete nga juice sa maani kadaghan. So, we shouldn't include the juice, but you can make it your own kind of juice, no? Kanang mixed fruit juice. Butangan na lang ninyo ni siya ice and then hola. Pwede na ninyo na mahimong ilimnon. But for the very purpose of our kuan today, we won't be making juice. So I'm just demonstrating you that you can also do something about the juice that you can have out of the mixed fruits or today's mixed fruits. So, unlike sa tuang today's earlier, nga pwede mainom ang juice, butangan na lang, parisan na lang ninyo siya og ice. For our kaong, kuhaan na to siya juice, no? Kanang iyahang liquid inside. It's colored green as well, depende. It goes along the color of the kaong that you will be choosing. And then for this one, tanggalan na to juice, and then paito ng juice na dito na siya mainom. Okay? So, ano lang na siya, reminders. Then, ang ato ang mayonnaise.
Bam.
Damn, so good. Earthin good. Like I should. Feeling on another neighborhood. And then the last, on top of all the things, or all the things that we have to mix, is of course the cheese. This shouldn't be missed. And then, the real work starts with you mixing all the ingredients. Pro tip here is that you should really make sure that it's thoroughly mixed, because if it's not, then naay portion na tabang, naay portion na tamis kaayo, and it wouldn't have, you know, an equal taste, equal texture on all sides. So kana. Diba? Kasi nag-ingon nga lisod ni buhaton. You just have to be very appreciative of the nature, since amo adiri sa tuburan, daghan mag mga coconut trees, so mga lamig butong, daghan lang gamay mixture, and then hola, dessert na. Diba? Oh God, here's our finished product! And I know it's lamig from the very look of it. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell to like, share, and watch it over and over again. Once again, this is Michaela Anna TV. Thank you so much for subscribing. Bye!